Hey guys, this is Sticks. Welcome back to Out and About. Today I am in Las Vegas, and for reasons I don't really like being in Vegas. Vegas is not my town. I'm sorry, it's not my town, not Alice's town. I don't gamble, I don't drink, I don't do drugs, and other things things that most people probably would come here or don't come here, except for the food, and I will eat the food. But I'm actually here at the RIO Hotel Casino, because I'm here for something that I have not been to in over 20 years. The Star Trek Fan Convention. It's actually something I've been wanting to come down to for a long time, and only recently that I found out they are selling one-day tickets, which I am here to see and to check it out for myself and see what it's like. So, but just for fun, I brought Amora with me today. Amora is wearing a costume from Star Trek Next Generation. I paid a lot of money to have this made, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to show her and everybody else at the convention what she's all about. But more really, I'm just here just to have a good time and have fun and be my own really dumb, funny self as best I can. So let's go inside and take a look. Back in the mid-1960s, a writer named Gene Roddenberry created a TV pilot he titled Star Trek. He envisioned a futuristic world where humanity would unite and begin exploring the galaxy. Through the adventures of the starship USS Enterprise, led by Captain James T. Kirk, we, the audience, were taken to new alien worlds, different alien cultures, and a chance to, quote, to boldly go where no man has gone before. Star Trek has achieved a cult following that has spanned 6 TV shows, an animated TV series, 13 movies, hundreds of novels and various comic book titles, and both video and online games that have reached millions of fans all over the world. Its popularity has lasted for over 50 years, earning a place in pop culture as long as Doctor Who and Flash Gordon. And that's what this 5-day event is all about. In what has now become a celebration of its 50-plus years of storytelling, this gives us, the fans, the opportunity to meet the actors, writers, costume and set designers, and many other people within the industry who helped bring this series to life. What makes this year special is that it marks the 30th anniversary of Star Trek The Next Generation. Although the original series started it all, it was The Next Generation that really helped define what Star Trek is today. And you could see it all around you from the fans that are here this weekend. It also gives us the chance to express our love for this franchise by donning our favorite costumes or turning ourselves into our favorite characters or aliens from the show. And that's the first thing I did after we got Amora over 2 years ago. This costume, based on Star Trek The Next Generation, was created by my good friend Sadea Yuki. It took her over 4 months to design and create this 1/3 size costume that can match any full adult size outfit. And most people at the con were amazed at the attention to detail. We were even mentioned on a local online news site covering the con. It was pretty cool. While at the con, we were given a chance to see some of the many props, sets, and costumes that were created for each series or movies, including the newest series, Star Trek Discovery, which recently had its debut. And you never know who's going to show up at a place like this. And if you happen to check out the dealer's room, you're going to find many Star Trek related items for sale that you're rarely going to find anywhere else. This is actually a really cool place to check out. What they have is so many things here related to Star Trek. It's not even crazy. It's not even funny to mention. They got everything from the original series down to everything to the brand new show that's supposed to come out soon. But in all honesty, this is actually a great place to check up on anything related to the fandom of Star Trek if that's what you want to do. And believe me, it's actually worth checking out. For every Star Trek fan, this is definitely one experience you do not want to miss. When you see all of Star Trek history laid out in front of you, it makes it that much more fun for what they can come up with in the future.
Miss Mulgrew, this is Rick Berman calling. I just wanted to say, welcome aboard, Captain.
For more information on this or any other convention you might be interested in, log on to the Creation Entertainment website. It's the official home for many fan conventions all across the country. So as I'm leaving now, I got to get back in the car and drive all the way back to Anaheim. It's kind of a drive. I just wanted to say, I had a good time here, and I hope people will be able to check it out next time around. So if you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe. Please check out my other videos also. And like I always tell everybody else, I don't know where my adventures are going to take me, but I hope you guys join me for the ride. See you then.